Good evening to all. In this video, we will discuss what is meant by functional dependency and what is the importance of this in understanding normal forms. See, functional dependency is defined as a constraint between two sets of attributes in a relation. Okay. See, actually, let us we consider one relation, then we will understand what is meant by functional dependency. Suppose this is a relation R, that means table R. No doubt, each table must have some attributes. Am I right? Suppose let us say attributes are A, B, C. That means relation R has three attributes A, B, C. This functional dependency, it will tell us what is the association among attributes. That means A, B, C attributes are there. These attributes, what is the dependency? Okay, if you consider one attribute, what is the whether it will depend on what attribute? That means what is the association among the attributes? The total, the relation among attributes you can understand by using the functional dependency. Okay, that means here the terminology is, for example, A arrow B. Left side some attributes, one or more attributes. Right side one or more attributes. That means left side attribute functionally determines right side attribute. That means how to read means A functionally determines B. That is the way of reading. A arrow B means A function determines B. Like that we need to check A arrow C. Like that you need to check B arrow C. That means what happens? The dependency among the attributes in a relation we are going to analyze by using the functional dependency. Already you understood that A arrow B or X arrow Y. Okay, that will tell us the functional dependency between these two attributes. Okay, that means here in our example, four attributes are there, A, B, C, D. Let us consider this is a relation R. Okay, so we need to understand whether functional dependency holds or not. Okay, functional dependency is there between those attributes or not. Suppose A arrow B. For example, we will check for this one. A arrow B. For A, what are the values are there? A1, A2, A3, A4. Now tell me how many values are there for A1 in B? How many values are there? B1. For A2? B2. For A3? B1. For A4? B2. That means this functional dependency will tell us left side some attributes, right side some attributes. For each value of left side, you must have only one value in right side, then that functional dependency holds. For example, in a classroom, I will ask, suppose roll number 21, stand up. If two people will stand up, then there is no meaning. Okay, that means what happens? Roll number, if I will ask one roll number to stand up, definitely there may be only one. Am I right? Then if that particular situation is there, then you can say that functional dependency holds, exists. Here you can see that for A1 you have only one value B1, for A2 you have only one value B2, for A3 you have only one value B1, for A4 you have only one value B2. Okay, that means this functional dependency holds. Similarly, A to C. Tell me the values for A to C. A1, C1, A2, C2, A3, C1, A4, C2. You have single values. A arrow C also holds. Okay. Whenever left side is primary key, unique values, then you can say that suppose A arrow D, for example, we will see A arrow D, then we will finalize. So A1, A2, A3, A4. Tell me the values for A1, D1, for A2, D1, only one value. For A3, D2, only one value. For A4, D2, only one value for each left side attribute. So A arrow D also holds. That means how it happens means whenever left side one has unique values, or you can say left side one is a primary key, then primary key arrow anything, definitely it holds functional dependency. B arrow C. B is not a primary key, for example, because there are different values are there. Now we will check about B arrow C. Tell me the values for B arrow C. Okay. What about B1? How many values are there? B1 C1 B1 C1, that means only one value. Let us consider for another one B2 B2 C2 B2 C2, so only one value C2. So B arrow C also holds functional dependency. AB arrow C, how to calculate? AB, what are the values? A1 B1, C means C1, only one value, because any A1 B1 is there? No. Next, A2 B2 C2, only one value. A3 B1 C1, A4 B2 C2. AB arrow C also holds. Similarly, AB arrow D. Here, AB, it has primary key. A is a primary key. So AB also, that means unique values. So that will hold. ABD also hold. ABC also hold. Just by understanding the concept, you can say, that means these are the functional dependencies. Okay, you can derive based on this particular relation R. I think you understood this particular topic. Functional dependency, it will tell us the association among the attributes of a relation. That means from the previous one you understood that this is also functional dependency, this also, this also, this also, these holds the functional dependency. Then we are going to see the list of functional dependencies. Partial functional dependency, full functional dependency, transitive functional dependency, multi-value dependency, joint dependency. These are the various types of functional dependencies. We will discuss each in the next video. Thank you. Thank you one and all.